And good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Backpacktrader training room. Crude oil inventory report session for Wednesday, June the 12th, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. That's all for disclosures today. Report will be coming out in a little over 2 minutes. We'll wait 2 minutes after that to start looking for trades. We have a crude spotlight chart using an 8-tick range bar, 8-cent momentum bar for TradeStation. Top left is unleaded, also on spotlight, using a 20-tick range bar, 0.002 momentum bar for TradeStation. And bottom left is the counterpunch 377 tick chart. All right, less than a minute. "30 seconds to the report." We're about to come out. All right, so far that's the top. Definite downward reaction. Let's put something on that. There. I need this one up here. So that was our reaction range. This early trade is trailing down. Strong move down. All right. No, almost a minute yet to go. Still in the early short trade. That was before this report even came out. Looking for a new trade. And into our session. Potential short trade on that canceled. Now we have a potential long trade on the 377 tick. That also canceled. That was a smallish trade. So we got nothing there, nothing on unleaded. Still in the short on the Spotlight Crude. Move seems to be running out of gas at 200 EMA. Looking for trades. Moment, none to be found. There's a long trade on unleaded. Triggering in on the pullback. Still nothing on the crude charts, either counterpunch or spotlight. And stop moving down again on spotlight short before the report. And we take a full loss on unleaded. Unleaded just not cooperating this morning. And long trade stopping out on spotlight. We did trigger the long on the 377 tick. And now we go short. Stop and reverse at 54. And now we have a short trade. I didn't catch that when it showed up. Let's see if we can get. We got the short trade there. And we trigger in. Oops, I gotta Auto scale. There are our targets, 2 and 3 in this case. Still working for money management on the 377 tick. We did, ouch, we picked up another long, stops and reverses, and the short is at money management on unleaded. I need to get the stop in the right place here. And there's money management. So our stop will come down to 56. And we get both targets. That's a one and done session. Unleaded also getting target 2 and trailing. So there is your trailer. Here we go. The entry is at 46, so that's going to be 41. No. That should be 44 on the entry. I know what's going on there. I need to correct that. 377 tick also getting money management and target, it appears. Yeah. There's your target, and it's trailing nicely. Trailed out to 78.36. Long if needed on the 377. Looks like target and money management are up at target 2. All right, stopping out and possibly going long if you're not positive. The 377 long has hit its target and trailing almost up to target. That should even if you weren't positive on the first trade, that should get you positive now. That just stopped out. Unleaded, I don't know if we were. So we're done on both crude charts. Unleaded, no, let's see what timing on this one looked like. 36. Oh, heck. Yeah, that's a no trade, so we've only got one loss. And then we pick up target to win. 458 ticks. What was our loss on this one? It was 45, so 90. We need another 32. What did we get? That was 44, so it's 39. Actually, we got 53. And we are in the long trade. 122 from 139, 17, and 47, 37. So we're down 20. Need a target here. Actually, we need a little bit of a trailer here. That's giving us ticking heat. Winning sessions on both Spotlight Crude and Counterpunch Crude. Unleaded, not looking good. $112 tick loss if we stop out. 56 tick risk on this trade. Surviving so far. And trying to push up through the 20 SMA, simple moving average, blue line. And successful there. Getting back to the entry. If this pushes above the swing high that it set there, you got a good shot at this one. That would be a 1, 2, 3 bottom. Another little push. 50 coming down now. We're going to have to get through that. We need 10 ticks, roughly, for target 2 traders. Target 1 traders need a little bit more than that. 50 EMA starting to provide some resistance, it appears. Down $1 from the session high. It's set just 10 minutes before, actually, no, about 40 minutes before the inventory report came out. Unleaded pushing downward again. Testing the session lows. Session low at 406.9. Looks like rejected there. Well, sort of. Not sure where it's going. Kind of stuck between the session low and the 20 SMA at the moment. Looks like Spotlight picked up 34 ticks on the two targets. $14 and $20. Yep, 34 ticks. Unleaded still trying to decide which way it's going to break. It's going to break one way or the other. What a difference a week makes. We're up. Even now, we're up about $5 from where we were last week. We're down in the $73 and change area. Unleaded going sideways. All the two charts are done. Let's see where this goes. And then this will be the last trade that I track in the session, I think. Hooked through the 20 and then stopped out. So a full stop out leaves us down 132 ticks. And I am going to call this a session. We'll see everybody tomorrow at 9:30. Have a good afternoon.